Hi again. In today's tip, I want to show you a process that will really help you ramp up your productivity. I'm Kevin Gallagher and welcome to the MPC Daily Tip, where I'm going to be sharing with you bite-sized, game-changing, bright ideas to enable you to take control of your business and your life. A clear vision is the number one reason some people are what are better known as time ninjas. They know what they want, they're really clear about where they want to go, and they're clear on their goals and their objectives. So a question for you, how clear are you about where you're taking your business and your life? What would they look like at the end of 2020, 2023, 2025? Because when you're really clear about where you're going and how you're going to get there, you'd be surprised at how little procrastination gets done. So if you ever find yourself procrastinating or having a lack of motivation, the main reason you're displaying those behaviours is because of vagueness, what to do and when to do it. It's been estimated that as little as 3% of people have clear written goals and a plan to accomplish them. Yet these very same people are able to accomplish anywhere between 5 and 10 times more than people who don't have a plan. It just makes good sense to have a plan. So here are 7 steps you can take to produce a plan that will dramatically increase your productivity. Step 1. Decide exactly what it is you want. Get really crystal clear on your objectives, because one of the worst uses of time is doing something really well that doesn't need doing. Step 2. Write down your objectives. When you see it written down, it triggers your brain into starting the creative process. And when we're being creative, we feel motivated. Step 3. Give it a time frame for completion. Set a deadline. No deadline, no urgency. Step 4. Brainstorm a list of everything you can do to achieve your goal and keep adding to that list. This is better known as chunking, as you take your big goal, which could feel really overwhelming, but when you break it down into bite-sized chunks, you take the sting out of it, and all of a sudden it all feels doable. Step 5. Organise your list into priorities and a sequence. What needs to be done first and what can be done later. Step 6. Do something now. Give the plan momentum. Start now. Take that very first step immediately. Become a person of action. Step 7. You can't steer a parked car, so block out time in your diary every day to do something that moves you in the direction of your goal. It could be something as simple as an amount of calls or meetings held, pages read, words written, videos shot, whatever it is for you. Once you start moving, keep moving, and just watch what happens. It only works, so give it a go, because you'll thank me later. That's today's tip. Remember, they're only game changers when you apply them. You need to take this from theory to practice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and fellow entrepreneurs. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button for new videos every single day. Thanks once again. I will see you in the next video. Now go out there and make it a cracking day.